Hi guys! We are here to tell you the world's biggest secret. Shh. It's no secret we're huge popcorn lovers.
I mean, she's wearing a popcorn shirt.
That is actually hers.
We're a little bit obsessed.
We're letting you in on a little family recipe of our homemade popcorn.
Healthy, light, addictive.
And let's just say it gets me invited to parties because anytime I get invited to parties, people ask me to bring that popcorn.
They literally
You know who you are.
Next time you invite us to a party, you can request the popcorn.
Yes. Okay, so it's really easy. All you need is an air popper, and if you don't have that, you can use a pan and
I'll be
pop
your
it
van
on
away.
stuff. You just put the kernels in. You fill it up to the line. So the air popper is nice because you don't use too much oil. But the secret is spray oil. So as it's popping, you start spraying the oil. So we choose between spray olive oil or spray coconut oil. Both are delish. So you spray it, and you have to spray enough so that when you add your seasonings, which is just simple sea salt. Simple. I like pepper, but not everyone does. So tonight we're just doing classic. We're keeping it classic. We're doing simple salt, coconut oil, and popcorn. But our secret that we do when we go to parties or on occasions that we want it is we add nutritional yeast to the popcorn.
Nutritional yeast has a lot of health benefits. Look it up. But
But
it tastes so good.
This?
You can get it at like any health food store, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's.
Yeah, and it's if you're vegan, it's vegan. Or if
has-
you're not, it's great.
It's like hard to explain, but it sort of adds like almost like a cheesy texture.
Yes,
But it's like a powder.
it's perfect for popcorn. So you add that, and that's how you'll get invited to parties. Comment below if you end up making it, or if you have even your own secret popcorn.
I mean, we all know chocolate chips would be really good with them too.
Yeah,
You
Lily's
can
chocolate chips.
So if you want to get invited to more parties, just offer to bring this popcorn and
We'll edit that out.
or will we?